Hey, how's it going? Today, we're gonna go over how to draw Morbius from Morbius, right? The movie, the Marvel character. He's a vampire. It's gonna be like a headshot. Incredibly simple, so stick around. If you like comics, you're gonna like this lesson. Let's start this lesson immediately, okay? Okay, let's go over how to draw this guy. Let's draw Morbius. All right, first thing I do here is I'm gonna go over here and draw a line for the upper eye, which is really important. Then line over here for the lower eye. Okay. Pulling in. Kind of that anger, that furrow of the eyebrow. He's gonna be looking to the left, by the way. Then we're gonna pull up just a bit here. Okie doke. Gonna pull a line from the top over here down. Pulling a line here. Curve underneath. And then pulling up over here, up. Right on. So he's gonna have, the reason I'm doing that is because that's the top of his brow. He's gonna have like darkness throughout that area. I'm gonna do it right now, actually. So, almost like a raccoon eye kind of thing. But what that is, it's gonna be, you know, like it's basically shadow throughout that eye. All right. Gonna go over here to this, go to the center. It's gonna be some furrowing of that eyebrow there, of the brow line, up. Go over here. Same thing, top of that brow line. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna find the nose first, okay? In over here. Down. Underneath the nostril, like if you look at the bottom of the nostril there. And then make a square over here for one nostril. Down over here for the other nostril. He's based on a bat, and I guess bats have big nostrils. That's why they kind of put him like that. Go over here to the left side, up. A line over here for the angerness. So now that we have the nose here in the way, I'm gonna go this far side, and I'm gonna draw the eye on that side. It's gonna be a little bit smaller and far away. And over here. Down. Line up. And curve right here for the forehead area. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button if you like learning how to draw anything. We're going to go over how to draw everything, dinosaurs, Pokemon, Encanto, you know, comics. We have everything on this channel, so absolutely hit the subscribe button. And, you know, it'll let you know when I post. So let's go into his fangs. He's kind of got these fangs right here. He's got a really cool design, honestly. I know. Line here, so line, line, line. And then we got the canines are going to be the biggest. That's kind of a big thing about him. Line up here, curve, curve, and line over here as well. So he doesn't really have much in the way of lips in that look. Curve line here for the cheekbone. And line over here. And we're gonna have his open mouth right there. See that? Open mouth. And we're gonna pull same thing down here, these sharp lines right for the teeth on this side. I'm gonna put them in there. Down, curve down here. Pull over here. Up angle for angle the jaw, and I'm going to pull up here. He has this like goatee thing right here, so we're going to put that in there. That's funny, the first time I saw Morbius was in Spider-Man. Line over here from the back of the teeth. And now I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here, pull down, go to the side of the hair. That's coming down, long hair, over here, down. Over here, you have the hair. He's got this long, stringy hair. Line over here. Let's go. So one thing I want to do with him is I want to start over here on this side. I'm going to draw a line here, and I want to find the ear sticking out. He's got this like elf ear, like so. Line over here on this side, pull down, fill it in, and then find the rest of the hair over here on this side, right? So, completing the hair over here. Something I want to do here is I'm gonna fill in the opening of this mouth. I'm gonna fill this in, Morbius's mouth here. I was gonna say Mobius, right? That's a different character. Morbius. Alrighty. And that's mostly it. I'm gonna draw a curved line here for the Adam's apple. And you could vignette it down here like in a V to show his neck. And you could also throw in a little bit more of a lines right here because there's gonna be some dark right here in the back of his neck, right? And draw a line downward like so. And that's pretty much it. That's Morbius. At least his head. Really, I think he's a very, very cool character. It's disappointing that people are very mixed on his movie. I know people aren't really digging it, but I am still gonna watch it, you know, just to check it out. Haven't seen it, but I'll watch it eventually. That's Morbius. From most of this more the comic look. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Please hit the like button if you like comics or anything like that, or you like the drawing. And I want to hear your feedback. I reply to every single comment. Test me. Write a bunch of comments. I'll reply to all of them, okay? Talk to you soon. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.